Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with just two essentials: the latest Instagram app and a backup of any posts you might move. Open your profile, then tap the grid view to see posts. Once done, choose the first post you want to reposition and tap the three dots or edit. This initiates reordering in apps that allow it. Make sure you work sequentially from the top left if you care about visual flow, because Instagram lays out new positions from left to right, top to bottom. Now you'll actively rearrange and refine posts. You'll either drag posts into new slots or use the built-in change options. Tap and hold to move and release to place. While moving, edit captions and alt text so each image reads correctly in its new sequence. If you need precision, create a draft layout or use a mock-up tool to preview rows. Keep consistent spacing and color balance because small adjustments change how viewers scan your grid. Finish by saving edits and refreshing your profile to confirm the grid update. If the order doesn't stick, try clearing the app cache, force closing Instagram, or signing out and back in. These steps often resolve syncing delays. If posts still revert, use the desktop web editor or report the problem through Instagram Help. One key troubleshooting tip: always check whether a third-party scheduler is overriding edits, because connected tools.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.